Hi everybody, I'm Kirsty Meakin from Nao Nails. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a Valentine's Day design. And we're going to use a stamping plate for our design. So when you get your stamping plate, it's like this. It's nice blue, isn't it nice, that blue? Ah, that's not the actual colour of the stamping plate. What you need to do is just go along here and you can, look at that, peel that corner up and reveal the stamping plate. This is just a protective layer. So because it's Valentine's Day, we're going to use this red. And it's like a pillar box red, this is like proper red. It's not an orangey red, it's not a pinky red or a purpley red, it's red.
I thought we'd agreed it was slapper red.
Oh, it's slapper red. That's why it's going on Dina. Okay, yeah. So I've already created a nail on Dina's little finger. Dina's requested boxing length nails. So if you're a boxer, what kind of length nails are boxing length nails? Now I don't know if this is because she's gonna smack me in the face or because she actually does boxing. Which one is it? Don't say both. So we're going to put this gorgeous slapper red on. Look at that. I'm going to do 2 coats of that. Before I stamp onto this, I do need to seal this with the Urban Graffiti top coat. And the reason I'm doing this is because I don't want to stamp directly onto that sticky layer. If we were doing chrome, then we would keep that sticky layer. Put that in the lamp. So as I look at the design here, I'm going to figure out whereabouts I'm going to put it. So I'm thinking, I want this I love you on there, and I want it to fit on the nail. So I've got to turn the angle of how I'm going to put it on, because if I put it on like this, I'm not going to get it all on. Or like this, not going to get it all on. So I'm going to turn the stamper as I put it on to make sure it fits. I have a lint remover here. And I'm making sure that this is clean. My jelly stamper is nice and clean before I use it. You can pick these up anywhere, super cheap. Found a new toy.
Got another one.
We're going to use paint because I'm just thinking not everybody has the polish that you use for stamping. Lots of people have nail art paints. So I'm going to show you how to use acrylic paint. So this is the Polycolour paint. This is awesome. Really pigmented paint. So I'm going to pop it at the top there. I'm going to have my stamper ready. And I'm going to take a card, drag it over, and again, I'm going to roll on and off. Picks up the design. And then we're going to turn that to place it on. Press down. Hold for a few seconds and up. And the design is on. Now, to clean this, you can go over with your lint roller just to clean that up. Super easy, inexpensive, and you've not got to use any solutions or anything like that. It'll also preserve the jelly stamper as well. When you're cleaning your plate, you want to use just pure acetone.
How much time do you think you've got with regards to using acrylic paint?
You haven't got long. I don't think it gives you any more time than a polish would either.
Right.
You've got to be quite quick with it. That's why I needed the stamper ready. So see this little hearty here? I want that. I'm going to pick that up. These little hearts. So we're going to be quick again. And scrape. I'm going to pick it up. I'm going to take off anything I don't want to go on the nail. And then I go on and off. Oh, and look at that on me. That's so pretty. So, anything that's on the finger, if you get your lint remover, and just roll that on, that will take it off as well. Well, you don't have to, you can clean it off after if you want to. It's just another way. I'm going to seal it with the Urban Graffiti top coat. Pop that in the lamp. Boxing nails. Boosh, boosh. Anthony Joshua has this length. Anthony Joshua, if you want your nails doing, I am the girl for you. And you know, you may get extras as well. I'm talking about a bit of bling. What are you thinking about? I'm going to put some stones on now. So I'm going to use Mega Gloss because it's a thicker top coat. So it's a thicker gel. Has no sticky layer, so that's why it's also very good for applying stones. So what are you doing for Valentine's Day then, Dina?
We'll see.
You're just coming round my house.
We'll spend it together.
You're going to have like an anti-Valentine's night.
Even though Dina's married.
Yeah.
We could have a We Hate Men night. Dina's lovely husband wouldn't be very happy about that.
How many stones can you fit on that little nail?
You know what she's like?
I'm going to have a go at fitting quite a few on. Until I'm happy.
Never then.
Just one there, and I'll be done then. Alright. Well, I thought I'd put the I love you on there because I love you.
Aww, I love you too.
She my bestie, bestie, she my bestie. That's right. I'm going to finish this design off with some cuticle oil. I think they should invent a best friend day.
Yeah, what are you going to do for
Like
me?
you've got a Mother's
I bet
Day.
there's National Best Friend Day.
Do you think there is?
I bet you there is.
My eyes will
Because there's all these different things, isn't there?
Hey Siri, is there a National Best Friend Day?
Here's what I found on the web for Is There a National Best Friend Day?
June
Have a
8th.
look.
Best Friends Day is June 8th.
They are. So they are. It's a quick design. It's like, so basically, this would be really good for somebody who has come in, they've got a fill, you've filled the nails, they've got like a plain set like I have on this hand, and you can put the gel polish on, stamp away, really quick, get them in and out. I nearly said Bob's your knob then again. We're not going to start that again. But yeah, I think this is just something really quick and easy to do for you guys. So I hope you've enjoyed that. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Instagram and subscribe to our channel. You should always watch to the end for any outtakes because that's the fun part of this video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Push, 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 push.
It's so silly. It's so silly.
Push, 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 push. Techno, 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 techno. Oh, Dina, what have you done to the side of that finger?
I know.
I can see what you've done. You've pecked, and then you've ripped it all the way around, haven't you? She's a naughty girl.
I know, I like it.
You like it?
Being
At
naughty.
the being naughty.